Guys, birthday nga ng aking daughter, no? So, mayroon siyang request na cake kasi. So, pinagbigyan natin. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito pala yung, sinabi niya sa akin nung gusto niya ang cake na ito. Ito yung cake. I have a question for you. What kind of cake you want for your birthday?
So much. Why?
Because I'm gonna make a cake. So, what do you want for your birthday?
I want penguin cake.
Oh, which one?
This one.
Okay, sure. So ayan guys, gumawa tayo ng penguin cake kasi ito yung niya, stuffed toy na sobrang luma na talagang gusto niya. At siguro mga 6 months ago pa niya nire-request sa birthday niya ganitong gusto niyang cake. So ayan, ginawa natin. And mamaya titignan natin ang kanyang reaction. 6 years old na pala si Leah. So, excited na tayo guys. So, ano pala to guys is 6x7 chocolate moist cake. Tapos, gawa siya sa modeling chocolate. Chocolate siya gawa, hindi siya fondant. So, ang sarap niyang kainin guys, promise. Yung chocolate na ginamit natin, hindi masyadong matamis. Kaya, talagang nagko-complement ng maayos doon sa chocolate moist cake natin. So yan, excited na tayo dito. Mamaya titignan natin ang kanyang reaction.
A few moments later.
Okay, blow. Yeah, blow. Good job! Happy birthday, Leah! Blow, Ali, blow. Go. One more time. Yay! Okay, picture. Leah, can you slice? You smash the cake. Smash the cake. Smash it. Go. Smash the cake, Lina. Smash it. Smash it. You don't want to smash it? Okay. Okay, slice it. Go. Harder. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Leah, are you happy with your cake? Are you happy with your cake?
This one.
Are you happy?
Yes.